Graveyard on the other side of the river. Well, this time we're going to cross the train tracks and get to the graveyard and see what it is. Hello, G and Jules here. First goal is get to the train bridge. The rust, what was it? Rusty rails? Yeah, what I called it? Yep. So we see you in a moment.
Later.
Well, I like my iPhone, but I can upgrade it too after a little bit. I hit it.
Hi.
Oh,
We're gonna
recording
continue this.
Hi.
Yeah, we're in the second part of our video now. This is the risky part where OG is at home. We're about to cross that old rusty train bridge from my previous video.
But first, before we go, look behind you. Graffiti on a bridge. Listen to the water though, guys, listen. Mini rapids. I feel the water popping. Nope, I can't swim. Then why are you in the water? Look at that. Somebody used to come down here and dance it. Look at that. Crazy infrastructure. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like train grease. And there's a whole set of tracks missing here. We all wanted to walk the train tracks.
We're about to cross that old rusty train bridge from my previous video in the dark as we head towards a graveyard.
And look, what's the name? But back there, it's getting dark real quick, like real quick.
Yeah, and Jules found a frog.
Look who I found, look.
Got a random frog that's speaking. And Jules found a frog.
Look who I found, look.
Got a random frog that's speaking.
And he squeaks.
The things we find on our journeys.
Oh, he's so cute. Don't worry, I'm not mating with you, trust me. I know
Yeah.
you're male. You're okay, you're good.
He was asking for a kiss. Little prince right there.
No.
The random things we find. See, we're trying to take a risk and we find something cute. All right, Mr. Froggy, I wish you could say, or tell you to like and subscribe and get notified, but I don't think you have YouTube on your frog phone.
Oh man, he might have a flip phone. That's all right. He grew up back in the old days.
There we go. So I'm gonna turn you around and let you see the tracks for a moment before we get to the actual risk of the bridge. She being brave, running
Look
ahead.
at her. She's getting ahead of us. There goes Jules.
She's not afraid.
This is what it looks like.
We're next to woods, the cornfield. It's one of those weird things. It slowly begins to vanish. And a giant bat mothman swoops from the sky and grabs that flies away.
No, don't say that.
Watch Jeepers Creepers.
Oh yeah, bro.
It's a cornfield. It's the 23rd spring. After 23 years, this is the year.
Oh,
Jules, be careful.
Jeepers Creepers is going to get you.
It's really getting dark. We still haven't made it to the bridge yet.
They're ready for spooky stories.
The graveyard straight across there, across the river, across the cornfield.
Whatever you want to call it.
It's far away. So we have to go forward, cross the train track bridge, then cut backwards through the woods, and then we'll end up in this really old spooky graveyard that's surrounded by really thick big trees. So I'm pretty sure it's been there for a very, very long time.
Okay, make your guess. What do you think the headstones are going to say?
Like 1800s.
I'm going to say probably close to 1700s.
I think it was last.
Only because it's unmarked on any map. 1700s is my guess. Only because it's unmarked.
Yeah, somewhere else. We're getting. There's the light.
There we
We're
go.
getting
Yeah, I got you.
right upon the bridge. I wish it was daylight and I could show us easier. It's definitely getting creepy out.
We'll definitely get some pictures or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap lights as we cross the bridge because I gotta do it safe and all that. So we'll see you in a second.
I feel bad. Dude. Stupid. Oh, sorry. The risky part right here.
Here's the bridge. What we've been waiting. Last time we went under it.
You know what?
Look at Jules just diving into
I
it.
was going to do the side over here
Yeah, you ain't jumping that. Not that long.
So, never mind. Well, these are not as bad as the ones I've been on before.
Yeah, I thought this was gonna be crazy. From underneath, you could almost see through it. We are crossing the Rusty Bridge from last time. Remember being down there? I think the buggy traveled downstream. The G on his wrist taken. There's that smell again. The rapids. You remember us being here, right? It's all down there. The water, the craziness of this bridge. It's kind of interesting. I tried to get a light down there and see from our height. Woo! That's a very careful.
Yeah, give him fun. Get a phone call.
No, I got that. I'm just trying to get us and the water.
Let me sit. Yours. What's up, y'all? I took it over.
You gonna take it out on the wrist?
You go watch my video. You can see I almost fell. I almost lost my balance. Sorry for the disruption in the background.
Look, Ma, a spider. If anyone knows what that is, comment on my channel who that is.
They recorded you out in there. So I got Lil G walking the wrist. So we're gonna continue on our journey. You ain't seen a lot of me, huh? Gotta not shine the light in my face so I can see. And make your way across this safely. I thought I was gonna have to jump, make it harder. It's gonna be a more difficult task, but whatever. It was fun. Now we just gotta get to the graveyard through the woods.
Hold on.
So G,
Yo.
somewhere behind me. We crossed the bridge, walked the train tracks. We traveled a bit of a distance. Now we got to go through the risky, scary part.
The dark hole.
We're entering the woods.
Intended.
So let me just flip you around. Or meander on through.
Oh, dude, you can tell this is man-made.
Yeah.
A man-made trail.
It's probably like some recreational trail. Some bug hit my face.
Oh, beetle.
Nope. Well, we got to follow the water because we've seen it from looking across the water. So it'll be this way.
It has to be this way.
That way leads away from the water.
No.
We got to cut backwards. It's this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look, we're going to end up getting lost.
The water's right there.
Oh, yeah, true.
So we just follow the water backwards.
Yeah, there's a big thing.
Sun's still getting darker. Not quite dark yet. Something in the path.
Dude, why is this relying on the videos I've seen? Like how dark it's getting around us right now? Just so you guys can tell how dark it is right now. There's the
Yeah,
sky.
Mochi.
Try for light.
It's just my pants light.
There is the sky. And you can't even see Jules right in front of us.
And she's gone.
She's right there. It's just creepy though, because this is a man-made trail.
Yeah.
Talking about a nature walk.
In the city. We're getting deeper than we did in the wetlands. There is no actual ground here. So guys, can't see the woods. It's so dark around us. We're getting deeper into the woods, looking for this graveyard. Oh no, yeah, flip around. Flip around. It's quiet. There's the water.
Don't blind me. Try for light, turn for light. There's nothing around this area, which is the weird part.
There's houses up on the hills.
Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind.
We're still in the city. We're just creeping through the woods.
A little runoff right here. See, the thing that creeps me out the most though, this is a man-made trail. Like, who's looking about here?
Especially when the rain.
Like, no tire
It's not on
tracks.
the map.
This is not a trail. Oh yeah, it is a house up there.
There's a what? They're houses.
Are we going anywhere?
Yeah, we should be.
It should be, he says. I think we should probably put our lights a little bit. The house is up there.
Okay. Water's right there.
And there's a power tower right here.
Handmade structure.
Yeah, this is weird.
Mushrooms. Found the not graveyard.
Yeah.
Hydrated.
The hydration drink?
Yep, it's Prime X. We are now on our way back. We're going to backtrack the same way we came because dark. So, let's get back to the train. And now to recross it,